Our blackstone hasn't been used in a really long time, so today I'm going to bring it back to life, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. First, I'm going to turn it on and crank it up as high as it'll go. I need the surface to be really hot for what I'm about to do. Once I feel like it's hot enough, I'm going to go in with a little bit of water, and on top of that, I'm going to throw in a little bit of dish soap. Don't attack me in the comments just yet. I'm only using a little bit of dish soap, and I'm doing that to get rid of all of the old grease. Just don't let that soap sit on there for too long, but this is everything it got up. And then for the star of the show, the salt, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that salt. I have this blackstone tool that my husband bought. The only way I could describe it is like a pumice stone. I scrub that salt in really good with that, and then I scrape off all of the excess. And at this point, my waste collector was overflowing, so I had to get that out and dump it out. And please be so careful doing this because they can get really hot. Since it's been a while since we've used this, I decided that I was going to do 2 layers of salt instead of 1. I wouldn't feel comfortable eating off of this if I didn't do a second layer of the salt. And now that I'm done with the salt, I'm just rinsing it all away. It's fine to leave a little bit of the salt on there because it adds to the seasoning of the grill, but you don't want too much excess, so you want to try to get as much off as you can. I thought I had some better oil, but unfortunately I had to use this canola spray. No, it wasn't my first choice, but I'm working with what I've got. I sprayed that down, put the lid on, and let it sit for about an hour on high heat. I did find some vegetable oil while I was waiting for that to sit, so now I'm just making sure everything is evenly coated, and with that, I'm finally done.